Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. Firstly, make sure that you tap at the touch controls. Touch controls located at the back side of each earbud, so make sure that you press on it, or double press, or triple press, or press and hold. If you know that you tap correctly, the next step is to perform a soft reset. Put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from the phone. You can check it in the Bluetooth if you want to. After that, open the charging case and your earbuds should be reconnect with your phone. After that, check, is it fixed? If it doesn't, we need to use an application and check is maybe you disable controls or you set it to none. So open EARFUN audio application. Of course, you need to connect your earbuds with the app, and then you will see them as a device list. Tap at your earbuds, and after that, scroll down. So firstly, make sure that you do not disable them. So tap at the slider if the slider have colorful background, and also you can click at the customize controls. Maybe it's set to none, so right here we have it disabled. You can check for the right earbud. If you have, you have two options: or tap at this line and select some feature, or click reset and it will return to the default settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.